Good morning. I've got another quick tip and tricks video for you today. I'm watering and I have seen my first sign of hornworm on our tomatoes. This leaving, if you will, that you see on that leaf is the frass from the hornworm. It's still pretty early. They're not real big. I have seen leaves that they have been eating. So starting tonight or this evening, I'm going to begin to apply BT. Each week from here on out, now that I know that I have hornworms in the area, I'm going to apply more BT. From when an egg is laid on the bottom of one of these leaves, it takes about a week for it to hatch. As soon as it hatches and it starts to eat a leaf, I want it to ingest that BT. That hornworm is going to die early, and it is never going to do any significant damage to my tomatoes. BT is safe. It is a bacteria. It is relatively inexpensive to buy, and it is wildly effective. All right, I'm going to finish watering the garden, get some pruning done. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.